So Lontra is a company formed around reimagining the way that big corporates generate compressed air.
Lontra designs the next generation of air compressor technology. So we've designed a completely clean sheet approach to air compression, and our job is to make it better, more efficient and the best product on the market.
This compressor is, we have described as a step change in compressor efficiency.
The kind of companies that use our technology are water treatment companies, food processing, conveyancing companies, possibly medical industry, and also refrigeration is also another option. The difference we make at Lontra by making more efficient air compressors is we use less energy to create the same amount of compressed air. So it's going to be more environmentally friendly.
The Lontra design has the potential to actually reduce the number of power stations required. So take that worldwide, and this really is a game-changing product. They can change people's lives. It's one of the most productive things you can ever do.
It's the first new compressor technology in about 80 years. One of our key drivers is compressor efficiency. We always try to look at it fairly cleanly and say, can we make that better? We try to apply that to everything we do, both to make things better and more cost effective. The Lontra compressor is quite neat, but it has some fairly complicated 3D geometry within it. So to design that, we are very much reliant on the CAD and simulation software that INNEO provide.
INNEO software is the main tool that we have at our disposal. We use it every day, and because of the advantages it provides us, we're able to do everything faster, and it means we can get our products to market quicker.
Well, we are a design-led company. Having modern, up-to-date systems is very important to us, and INNEO have helped us enormously with making sure that those systems are used to their best effect. We have our own focus on delivering the engineering. So where we need to use software tools, it's the support from experts that really matters and keeps us going. With INNEO supplying our CAD systems, we are now a much more integrated team. We have much greater capabilities with the various PTC modules, and this is a product which is able to leapfrog the competition. We have a fairly small team of designers, so we only have 8 seats of Creo, together with simulator and behavioural modelling. They have to use to their best effect, and the last thing they need is to be setting up systems and coping with problems, which is all too easy when you have complex IT systems in a small company.
We use the Creo package to make sure that we can get the design right first time. We'll do a lot of simulation, a lot of work in the BMX and FEA programs to make sure that we don't have any obvious stress raisers, we don't have anything that might go out of balance during running. It's useful from my point of view in that I still retain a CAD license, so I do most of the rig designs in 3D to make sure that everything fits first time.
Behavioural modelling in Creo has really helped us at Lontra. It's enabled us to adapt the design based on certain parameters and allow the software to actually do lots of the design functions for us to save us time that would otherwise be spent doing relatively mundane calculations. Windchill's been a fantastic tool for us. We design parts with many different assemblies and components, and keeping track of all of that can be quite difficult. With Windchill we've been able to do it effectively, smoothly, and it's really helped our productivity.
It's a collaborative tool, and it ensures that mistakes are minimised.
One of the things that's different about working with Lontra is they're not held back by old-fashioned ways and methods. They're forward-thinking, they want to drive efficiency, and they want to really bring about innovative change to the market.
Any success is based on a great team, and we're lucky to have assembled a great one.
Lontra has effectively grown up with INNEO, and we have become quite self-sufficient because we have a team of very capable engineers, but it's very useful to know that INNEO is there behind us.
You'll start to see a lot of these compressors going out from this area, with Lontra building more factories and becoming a very large UK exporter. Lontra will be a big company, but it'll be a big company doing things differently. And that's how we're going to change the world.